You connect your Google Drive to Claude, open your pitch deck, and ask Claude to fix the headline on slide 4. Nothing happens to the actual file. Not because Claude is broken, but because that's not what this connection does. And almost nobody tells you that before you waste 10 minutes trying. In this video, we are building two separate things. First, we'll have Claude open, read, and summarize a real Google Slides text straight from your drive. Then, we'll switch to a completely different approach and have Claude build a brand new 10-slide presentation with speaker notes from a single one-line brief. Let's see both live. Our drive connector is already set up from the last two videos, so we don't need to reconnect anything. If you didn't go to settings yet, go to connectors and connect Google Drive. I've got a real deck sitting in my drive called Q3 Sales Recap. 12 slides, a mix of charts, bullet points, and a couple of screenshots. Let's ask Claude about it. Find the Q3 Sales Recap presentation in my drive and summarize the key takeaways. Claude searches, opens the file, and comes back with a clean summary. Revenue by region, the biggest wins, and the one slide flagging a slipping renewal. Notice what it didn't mention any of the charts, any of the screenshots, because Claude only extracted the text on each slide. The visual elements are invisible to it. Now, let's switch to another method. It uses Claude's file creation feature, the same one that builds Word docs and Excel files. First, make sure it's turned on, go to Settings, then Capabilities, and check that code execution and file creation are enabled. Now, start a fresh chat and type one line. Create a 10-slide presentation pitching a new productivity app to investors. Include a title slide, problem, solution, market size, business model, competition, team, roadmap, ask, and closing slide. Add speaker notes on every slide. Press enter and give it some time. Here's the finished deck. 10 slides, each with a title, body content, and notes you could read from if you were presenting it live. If you don't like anything, you can change it now. As I asked, change the background color to light blue. It will take some time and then it's done. Click the Google Drive button. It is saved in Google Slides and it works exactly the way you'd expect. Full formatting, structure, editable text boxes. So, that's how you can use Claude with Google Drive. This was the final video in Module 3, Claude and Google Workspace. Docs, Sheets, and now Slides. Plus, exactly where each one stops. Next up, Module 4, we are covering Claude Design, Anthropic's newer tool built specifically for slides, prototypes, and landing pages, and where it picks up, where today's video leaves off. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.